Hello and welcome to Full On Self Motivation. This is Nitya Rangarajan, and I'm so happy and grateful that you've joined this podcast today. And I'm going to talk about an important topic. This changed the way I think about time, money, and energy. And do you know from whom I learned this lesson? The most unexpected teacher, and that's my son. Let's dive in. I had just come home from office. It was one of those typical busy days where I felt like I was running from one task to another, checking things off my endless to do list, feeling that familiar rush of being constantly in motion. I walked through the door, probably still thinking about work, maybe checking my phone. And you know how it is? My son looked up at me and said something that stopped me in my track. Amma, you have forgotten your smile. That's what he told. Just like that, so simple, so innocent. But those words hit me like a bolt of lightning. I stood there for a moment and I realized he was absolutely right. And I had forgotten my smile, not just that day, but for how long? How many days had I been walking through life without really being present, without joy, without that simple happiness that used to come so naturally? That night, after he went to bed, I couldn't stop thinking about what he had said. I started asking myself some really uncomfortable questions. Why did I become the person who is always rushing? Where did I start believing that being busy is being productive? Where did I stop enjoying the very life I was working so hard to build? I realized I had fallen into this trap of thinking that productivity meant doing more and more things. I was measuring my worth by how packed my schedule was, how many tasks I could juggle at once. But my son's innocent observation made me realize something profound. What good is all this productivity if I'm losing myself in the process? What's the point of achieving all these goals if I can't even remember to smile? That was my wake up call. I started questioning everything. I started asking myself, is this urgent task really important? Or am I just keeping myself busy? Am I doing this because it needs to be done or because I'm afraid to stop moving? And slowly, I began to change my approach. Instead of trying to do everything, I started asking, what are the few things that truly matter? Instead of filling every moment with activity, I started creating space. Space to breathe, space to think, space to smile. You know what happened? I became more productive, not less. When I focused on what truly mattered instead of just staying busy, I started achieving better results with less stress. But more importantly, I got my smile back. My son noticed it too. I think most of us, especially mothers, we feel that we have to be everything to everyone. We want to constantly do, constantly achieve, and also constantly prove our self worth. I want to ask you, what would the people who love you most say about your relationship with time? Are you so busy achieving that you are forgetting to enjoy the journey? Maybe it's time to slow down enough to remember your smile. And our greatest teachers come in the smallest packages. So I'll be back next week with more thoughts on this journey we are all on together. Until then, don't forget to smile. The people who love you are watching you, so please take care. That's all for today. Thank you for letting me share my very personal moments with you.